before we get started, we need to go over a few safety rules. Remember, safety comes first in everything that you do. Be sure to wear your hard hat, safety glasses, cut gloves, and sturdy boots. Inspect your hard hats for any cracks or damages. You also want to take a look at the date inside. Make sure that the hard hat is not expired. We want to check the ratcheting, and we also want to twist to see if it cracks. Please also check your gloves. Make sure they are not ripped and torn and the coating is in good condition. If your gloves look like these, we need to go ahead and replace them. With your glasses, make sure they are clean and scratch free. These again should be replaced by the foreman. Look at the bottom of your boots and make sure they still have quality tread life left, and see your foreman if any C. Davis issued items need to be replaced. Remember, the topics covered in this video can't cover all the areas or foresee all variances. This should only be used as guideline and not as a complete set of safety rules. There can always be special job-related safety requirements that cannot be covered in this video.
Greeting viewers, my name is Christian Cabrera. I'm an 11th year journeyman electrician. I work for C. Davis Electric. I'm going to show you a quick review of what a normal standard electrician should have on the site. First, I'm going to start with a multi-ratchet screwdriver, long nose trim screwdriver, flathead, lineman's pliers, strippers to connect and strip your wiring, standard pair of channel locks, standard pair of dikes or side cutters for cutting wire, an MC roto splitter, which I'll show you in the next segment how to properly use one for cutting MC, a torpedo level that's magnetic, standard pen tester to check for voltage or read voltage, a couple bits for your drill setup, multi nut driver, and an extension magnetic bit, utility knife, and a marking tool, pencil, marker, any of your choice. I like to have a nice sturdy belt, something above the waistline, padded, holds a lot of weight. I use a Tough Belt. It's got a connecting system for your different type of bags and tool belts of your choice. And also a standard drill, impact, something that you can torque down screws when needed. A magnetic pouch, I want to say, that helps kind of keep your, your hardware together. That's a standard tool belt for an electrician. Welcome back. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to properly use a knockout, automatic knockout that we use to put in concentric holes in our junction boxes. First, I'm going to take our drill driver, hammer drill, with a 1/2-inch metal cutting bit, hole saw. Want to screw down and tighten down your chuck. Get your battery in place. Double check on your tightening of the chuck. You want to make sure that your drill is set to the drill mode, since we're going into metal, not concrete. I'm going to take about center point of this box, and I'm going to start with my 1/2-inch core bit, core hole. Safeties first. Make sure you have your eyewear. Once I made my 1/2-inch hole, I now want to take my knockout with my 1-inch concentric, my 1/2-inch threaded nipple that's going to go inside the knockout, screw it in all the way. And on this nipple, as you can see, it has directional arrows. This side is showing you that you thread to the tool. This side is showing you you're going to thread to your punch or the hole that you're willing to make. Now you want to make sure that your nipple's completely tightened in place. Very important, this tool is not affordable or cheap. It is definitely pricey. So you would want to make sure that when you do this, you do it properly. Now this is the outer piece of your cutting diameter. You want to make sure that you have the deep end inserted onto the nipple. Keep this on the outside of your cut. And then make sure that your threaded die cast cutter is properly screwed into your nipple and it's not cross-threaded. Once it's fully tight, you could commence your cutting. Now, making sure that the lever's pushed into the on position, you want to pull back your trigger and let the tool do the cutting. Once it's done, you'll see that it's released off the box. You want to press your release button. You want to remove your chuck or your cutting piece. Dispose of the cut metal. There you have it, how to properly use a knockout.